All right, here we go. It is February 20th, Saturday. Checking out some different stocks here. Some movers, some that move, some maybe will move. And let's check it out. LAIX. This had a big pop, 29 million float. Institutions in 37%. 162 million market cap. No news recently. Artificial intelligence. That's been pretty big too. AI. Online English learning product services. Republic of China. Yeah, this has been in a long downtrend for years. Then it finally broke 2021 January. Up to two. Found this 250 line back down, broke up big 250 all the way to a high of 1165. Then look at this pullback, strong pullback, lower volume. Yeah, the volume almost disappears here. There's like really no volume. And then back we go. Now, what's it going to do here? Is it going to bounce here at what's this line 350 or come back to 3? You don't want this to fill all the way to scalp to 250. I mean, that wouldn't be bad. That'd be a good price to get in, but if that does, you don't want to hold here. So look for these two levels, 13 EMA, 20 EMA, and then your 250 level to see if we get a hold here. See right here? So you want this to come down. If it does bounce, that'd be a great bounce. It's really 18.80 oversold level, extremely oversold. So these are one of these stocks it quietly just explodes one day. This could do it again next week. You don't know. Maybe news, maybe it's a pump in the market. I would look for that. This could be even a good day trade. So watch how you're playing this. Is this drifting? You have the drift here, lower volume, like the sleeping giant. This arise, not arise. It woke. He woke the sleeping giant, and he really dominated. Then he went back to sleep, and he's like, just sleeping now, and he's going to explode again. So, watch that move on LAIX. SCI, 168 million float, 8.5 billion market cap, 87% institutional ownership is very good. They declared quarterly cash dividend. Provides death care products and services in the United States and Canada. Company operates through funeral and cemetery services. So not the best thing to want to look at, but it's reality of life. Let me see. As of December 31st, 2019, owned 1,471 funeral service locations, 482 cemeteries, 290 funeral service combinations, covering 44 states, 8 in Canada. All right, so this is an interesting stock. This has been on a run too. If you draw your line up this way, you draw your high. Trying to connect these lines, I guess, right about here. So this had the drop too. Back and forth chop for months, and it's really broke up in August. Came to this 48 line and back down, just as quick as it went up and went back down. Look at that. So you have a great buy and wait another great buy, or you can short it. I like big moves and ridges. Like these are the best to trade if you're swinging to. They're home run trades, grand slams. Then this went up. See this oversold level? That's when you want to get in on a trend that's coming up. And then here, sideways, and then really got bearish right here. 1, 2, 3 bearish candles. Then we found the little green candle. Could be a bottom here. Oversold 11.02 stochastics. Trend line coming up. You have right here. See this bounce right up on this 48 line. So that could be a big hold there. So we'll see next week if you play this as a swing. Maybe this can come back up now. It's starting to. There's the first green candle after 3 red. That could be a sign of something positive at this point. I mean, because look at the areas 1, 2, 3, like 4 touches plus 5, and you see the low coming up. So this could be just a dip buy at this point. So I like the way this is moving for an oversold play. That's one of the other plays I like. I like oversold plays in a certain type of trend. The trend is going up. Bounce plays. It could be going down too, but it's a really good sign to play them when you see that on the chart. All right, here's Wolf. 47 million float, 5.18 billion market cap. Let's see here. No news recently. Petco Health and Wellness Company operates pet health and wellness businesses involved retailing of pet consumables, supplies, companion animals, and services. So this looks like a recent IPO. This one is high as 31, chopped around, some bounces. Now it's going down. You draw your line right here. So you have the high getting lower. And then you put in a line right here. This could be a bottom right here. Trying to see. Does connect? Yeah, it pretty much connects. So what do you have here? You have a trend line. This is all trend line. Top of the trend line, bottom. Bounces, comes back to the middle, bounces again, comes back. And now we have a cross after 3, 6, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 7 red candles. That's a good sign. It's at a 7.29 on stochastics. Extremely oversold. You have a hanging cross here, a top right cross, right at the top after a run from here, top to bottom. So this is very bullish to me. Let me see the 5-minute. 5 minutes sort of based out here. This is coming up. So, I mean, if this does come up, top of trend line would be 26, 25, 50, 26. So I like it to the top there. You could play stochastics low to high, 20 to 80. I do that sometimes. So I like this here. We'll see if this is a continued move from this candle. So this is one to, if you like to swing, this could be a really good swing on WOOF. Woof. All right, Stitch Fix. $60 million float, 92% institutional ownership, 8.43 billion market cap. Let's see. They sell a range of apparel, shoes, accessories through its website, mobile application in the United States. Denim dresses, blouses, skirts, shoes, jewelry, handbags for men, women. All right. So I remember this stock too. When this stock was back, I'm trying to see here. I'm trying to remember where I had this stock. I think it was back here when it was in August. I'm like, saw the ascending triangles are going to break up. And eventually it turned into a nice move up. You can see here this ascending triangle right here. Look at this. Broke right up. Got to near 40, came down to 35. This is where the volume came. This big gap up right here. And then we rose the top of this line here. Look at this. To almost 70, 70-ish. And came back down. 55. Look at this explode up to near 110 plus. This one as high as 113. Then it came down, bounce, came down again. So question is here, we're very oversold, 12.64. Is this like a trend line for me? Up here a touch, you could say. Trying to get them close. You have 1, 2, this could be it. And then we do this and come back up. Even if we come here and come back to 85, then come back down. As long as this low gets higher, then we can bounce up. I mean, longer term in the next maybe a few weeks, a month, I think we'll get it past this 105 level, 100 level. Trying to see here. Is this a line here? Draw. It's sort of a wedge. Not because this came down too far. It doesn't. Normally a wedge would be like this. Doesn't exactly meet up, but this is another one. If you like oversold plays with the trend is up, see this? Back and forth, rolling lines, top line, bottom line. This could be something good if you're looking to swing it. Yeah, you want the market to remain strong. If the market gets another boost, we start to go up, that'd be very big for this stock. So look at that on Stitch Fix. All right, so that's it for these stocks. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Any information about the stocks? Do you like these stocks? You're playing them. Whatever your views, it's always good. Instagram Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits Mike Cayman Trades. Twitter Mike J Trades. We're out for now. Peace.